This is day 7 after dredging of the Gwon stream, if you like, river. Time is exactly 6 a.m. here, and according to the tradition, this is the exact time the river is usually opened after the dredging, after the 7 days. And as you can see, this is the river warden waiting just outside the river. She's waiting for the head of the community to go fetch the water to bring to her. And here they are approaching with the water. That is the head of the community and his cohort. They're handing over the water to the stream warden, and here she is drinking from there and saying some prayers. That's me also drinking from the water and getting sprinkled and showers of blessing from the water. And finishing from the river side, from the stream side, they took some of the water to the house of the river warden, where some women are waiting, women with all kinds of ailments, and women suffering from barrenness to also come and drink from. So follow me as we see what unfolds.